Once again, welcome back to the program. ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਬਿਲ ਹੌਪਵੁੱਡ ਨਾਲ। ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਰੇਜ਼ ਦ ਰੇਟਸ, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਹਨ। ਇਹ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦਾ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੰਗਣ ਲਈ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਆਓ ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ।
Thank you very much for having me.
Welcome. So what is this organization Raise the Rates?
As it says, it's about raising the rates, and the rates we're on about are the ones that affect people in poverty. So that would be people for disability, people who cannot find a job, and we also would argue we should raise the minimum wage. So it's about tackling poverty in British Columbia.
Okay, so when you talk about tackling poverty in British Columbia, what are the statistics which point out towards this fact that it is serious, or it is just to be like in any other province?
Well, BC has the unfortunate record, if you can put it that way, of being the worst province for poverty overall.
Okay.
Roughly 500,000 people in BC are in poverty. That's 1 in 9 of the people. That's a lot.
Okay.
It's been worst or second worst for child poverty in Canada for nearly a decade now.
Okay.
And also the gap between the richest 20% and the poorest 20% is the biggest of any province in Canada. So however you look at it, BC has some of the worst poverty in Canada.
Right.
And I think that is particularly alarming given that we are a rich province.
Right.
You know, I know the MLA for near here, Jagrup Brar, did something. We may talk about that later.
Yeah, definitely. I'd love to talk about
that. Right. He said is he grew up in India.
Right.
And he expected poverty in India. India was a poor country then.
Right.
He came to Canada, this rich country, rich in resources, in skills and education, and was shocked at that poverty. And that's really why we try to raise this issue.
Right.
There is no reason for poverty in
Absolutely. So what are the reasons which you feel that especially British Columbia is facing this kind of problem?
I think part of it is, and a big piece of it is, that of those 500,000 people I spoke about in poverty, many of them work. A lot of people have 1 or 2 jobs, but the jobs are so poorly paid that even with 2 part-time jobs, you cannot make ends meet.
Right.
BC is quite expensive, particularly if you live in the lower mainland.
Right.
So the costs are quite high, and the wages haven't kept pace with the cost of living. And similarly, welfare, which is for those who cannot work, for either they can't find a job, and there's, I don't know, 150,000, 160,000 people in BC looking for work who can't find work, or they can't work because they're physically or mentally, so have some serious impediment.
Okay.
And their income hasn't gone up for 5-6 years, and even then it's hardly gone up. If welfare in BC was the same as it was 30 years ago, it would be, for a single person today, it's $600. If it kept pace with inflation, it'd be $1,000.
Right.
So they've had a $400 pay cut in the last 25-30 years. So that's why we have poverty.
Okay.
Government policies in the main, but other things as well.
Okay, great. So that's what my next question is. When you talk about the government policies, has this particular government done something to elevate the condition of these people? And especially when we talk about Premier Christy Clark, she raised the minimum wage also to $10.25. And do you think, is it sufficient? Has the government done enough, or something more needs to be done?
Well, on the minimum wage first, when the minimum wage went up to $10, before then, BC had the lowest minimum wage of any province in Canada.
Right.
So all that happened was BC caught up, and it's still below most other provinces. So we would think somewhere around $12 an hour in terms of a minimum wage. And again, I'd make the point that there are groups of workers who aren't covered. Farm workers are not covered by minimum wage.
Right.
Workers who work in bars and pubs and restaurants to serve alcohol are not covered by minimum wage. Farm workers are paid by piecework, and many workers who work in pubs and bars, they're supposed to make it up with tips. So the minimum wage hasn't kept up with even the cost of living or the standards across the rest of Canada. So the government needs to do a lot more. It needs to step up there.
So is it stepping up or not?
So far, not particularly. I mean, can I just quote something?
Sure,
This was in today's newspaper.
Yeah, sure.
And this is from the minister in charge. She's saying that this is about why we still have food banks after 30 years.
Right.
She was saying addressing society's most difficult challenges is not the sole responsibility of government. Now that's true, of course.
Right.
But when the government creates the problem by holding back welfare,
Right.
holding down the minimum wage. They create the problem, and then charities and other people have to step in to fill that gap.
Right.
And that's the wrong way around. You know, the government has a responsibility. I think, in my opinion, and all the evidence says the majority of people in British Columbia think
Right.
the government has a responsibility.
Right.
If you look at polls about poverty, about inequality, about social justice, people are saying we want to do things differently.
Right.
We want to treat people fairly.
Absolutely.
And it's actually for most people's benefit.
Absolutely, no doubt. And towards the end, Raise the Rates organization every year has a challenge in which you call upon the politicians and other bigwigs to jump in and see how is it to live on a particular amount in a day. And last year, Jagroop Brar, the MLA, had stood up to this challenge. Yes. So what is the idea behind it? And towards the end, what would be your message to the people, how they can also involve themselves and what can be done?
Well, the point of those challenges is to demonstrate that you can't live on welfare.
Right.
And the group couldn't. He lost 26 pounds. He had to borrow money.
Right.
So it's to say that it's to open the eyes of the people of British Columbia to
Right.
what is going on in society. And through that, for them to put pressure on the government. I mean,
Right.
if I do it, they go, oh, he's an activist.
That's right.
But they want to hear what ordinary people say. And we
Right.
know that people, when they hear this cases of how low welfare is, how bad poverty is, they want change. And one of the other points that I think has come out in the last couple of years is that poverty costs this province a lot of money.
Oh, yes, no
in
doubt.
health, in education, in crime, in lost economic opportunity. You give somebody on welfare a little extra money,
Right.
they will spend it in your local corner store.
Right.
Or, you know, you give a tax cut to somebody who's rich, they may spend it on a holiday abroad.
Right.
So there's real benefits in tackling it. And I think the really powerful voice is the people of British Columbia.
So they should come forward and talk about it.
You know, talk to their MLA.
Wonderful, sir. It was a pleasure having you, and best wishes that you're raising this major issue in the public and also towards the government. May you succeed. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
And to your audience, please tell your MLAs to raise welfare.
Thank you very much. ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਸ ਵਿਸ਼ੇ 'ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਰੇਜ਼ ਦ ਰੇਟਸ ਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਹਨ ਬਿਲ ਹੌਪਫੁੱਡ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਕਸਦ ਹੈਗਾ ਰੇਜ਼ ਦ ਰੇਟਸ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਇਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੇਤਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਸਰਕਾਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਪਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕੇ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਬੜਾ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਹੈ ਵੈਲਫੇਅਰ 'ਤੇ ਜੀਣਾ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਵੇਜ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਵਧਾਈ ਜਾਏ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਾਵਰਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਗਰੀਬੀ ਦੀ ਰੇਖਾ ਦਿਨ ਬ ਦਿਨ ਵੱਧਦੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲੋਕ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਕੜੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਜੇਕਰ ਲੋਕ ਹੀ ਚੁੱਪ ਰਹਿਣਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਰਕਾਰਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨਗੀਆਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਅਲਾਈਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹੀ ਮਕਸਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਬਣਾਏ ਉਹ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੋਚੇ ਪਰ ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਦੀ ਮੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਐਮਐਲਏਜ਼ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਪਾਓ ਕਿ ਵੈਲਫੇਅਰ ਰੇਟਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਆਮ ਜੀਵਨ ਦਾ ਪੱਧਰ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ